Hello and welcome back to the SuperTables Getting Started course series. In this session number 2, we will learn how to apply conditional column coloring. If you have not checked out session number 1 of this series, where we learn the very basics of SuperTables, make sure to do this first. The link to this video is in the description below. So for this example, we will navigate to sheet number 2. We have already prepared a table which gives us an overview of our orders, including some relevant measures like sales, quantity, and profit. We now want to apply conditional coloring to these measures, just like we know it from Excel, to make it easier to analyze and to spot interesting entries. To apply conditional coloring, we need to open the Formatting menu and head to the Data tab. In the Measures section, we can then go through each measure one by one. Let's start with profit. For profit, we want negative values to be colored in red and positive values to be colored in blue. We can find the conditional coloring options all the way at the bottom. In here, we have different options. We can color the whole cell or only the cell text. For profit, we will go for cell text only. After this, we then need to define the bounds for the conditional coloring using at least one of these two fields, lower bound and upper bound. To apply the below and above zero logic, we need to set the lower bound to 0. Now, any value that is below 0 will be colored in the below bounds color. By setting the inbounds color to blue, just like that, everything that is above 0 will be colored accordingly, as also showcased in this visual right here. Let's apply and close to see the changes. With the new coloring condition, we can now easily distinguish between negative and positive profit values. Let's continue with quantity and sales and apply some different conditional coloring. For quantity, we want to apply conditional coloring to the whole cell and have a blue gradient coloring for the different quantities, where high quantity values are dark blue and low quantity values are light blue. The right color style is already selected, as we want to color the whole cell background. Next, we need to define our bounds. To get the right bound values, we can quickly look at the minimum and maximum values of our dataset by using the sorting functions of SuperTables. As we can see, the lowest value of our quantities is 1, and the highest value is 16. So we can set the lower bound and upper bound accordingly. All we need to do now is to select the right colors. For low quantities, we wanted to have light blue coloring, so we will choose it here. For high quantities, we wanted to have a dark blue, which we will also select. To make it a gradient, we can check this box. Click Apply to see the changes. If we are not quite happy with the coloring choices yet, we can simply go back and, for instance, for the lower bound, select a lighter blue. Click OK and Apply. Last but not least, we want to format our sales column. Here, the goal is to show our sales values using colored bar charts within the cells. To do this, we will set the lower bound to 0 and select a nice color for the inbounds color. Let's go for a blue again. Then we activate the Show Background as Bar Chart option. And we will also let the extension automatically set the minimum and maximum values of our bar charts. Click Apply and Close, and we are done. Our sales values are now properly highlighted using different bars directly within the cells. And this is it. We have successfully upgraded our SuperTables using different modes of conditional coloring, making it easier to analyze and find interesting values. In the next video, we will learn how to combine multiple columns using the Combine Columns feature. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and a comment and consider subscribing to our channel.